Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I mean, it's almost Christmas, so fuck it. Let's be nice, spread some cheer, boost me up. Just joking. Anyhow, let's jump into this. Like you've seen in the title, I am trying 2 higher end brands that I've yet to try before. I don't typically buy higher end shadows because I am on a budget, and I prefer to put that money into face products like creams and Botox. Let's be honest here. I mean, I just, I gotta pick how I spend my money just like anybody else. Here's my puppy. So the 2 brands that I got are Natasha Denona, and I got this in my BoxyCharm palette, but this is a $50 palette, 48 bucks for 5 shadows. And then, okay, you can have that before my dog chews it. So here's the unicarton for the Viseart one. This was just a cardboard box. I got rid of it. This is $80 for this palette, but I bought it on the BoxyCharm pop-up shop for $12, which is hell of a steal. So I'm excited to kind of put these to the test. I will definitely have to leave if the longevity or whatever down below just to see if you get that out of it. And I just figured let's fucking get into both of them because why not? Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Natasha Denona, and I want to jump into this shade right here, which is Aya, I believe. Yeah, because this would have to be Shine, right? I hate, this doesn't even have names at all. Fucking fair enough. But I hate when I have to try to figure out the back of the shadow to the front of the shadow. I don't know. So I got a handful of furry little brushes here. Just gonna grab this bad boy and put that along my entire lid. And you're gonna hear the dryer. The dog's over here chewing shit up. I am home alone, and I just don't feel good about locking him out of the room, so I can do this. And he would just probably be at the door anyways, pestering me along with the cat. So this shade is pretty much like my skin tone, skin color, a little bit bright, a little bit of a pink undertone. It's, I don't know, it's working pretty damn good, but I'm just setting my eye right. Such a fucking professional over here, right? So I'm gonna swatch a couple. I guess I could have done that to begin with. So this is Shimmer, or no, this is Shine, and this is Jasper right here. I mean, that's and I suck at swatching. All right. Hey, Winston says I'll fucking test that for you. I think I'm gonna go in with this color here, which is Amhara. There's somebody out there saying you're an idiot. I know. Taking this, what brush was this? This was one of my Real Techniques brushes. Got it at Fred Meyer's, Kroger, it's called somewhere else, and here's just a Morphe fluffy brush. So, picks up product pretty nicely. I don't really hear anybody talk about Viseart anymore. I know Tati used to. Who else? I know I heard of the brand through YouTube. Natasha Denona. I think she gets hit and miss reviews. People will always be a little bit harder on a more expensive brand. You're paying your money. But on everything, the blend so far with this Natasha Denona, and I'm dipping in and pulling out the blend and pigmentation, all right, a little bit more than what I even anticipated. I thought this would kind of be end up being a I thought it would end up being more of a light wash of color. No, ma'am. But yeah, I mean, that just took no time at all. But very lightly dip in to the palette and build up if you don't want to go like full blown right away. So let's find a color in here. I had no intention to do like a pinker look because I thought that this would be a lighter pigmentation, more of a wash. It's not too pink really, but it's like a chestnut brown with a little bit of that warm like pink smoky undertone. It's not too in your face. I don't want to get it on my white shirt. I like my Top Gun shirt. This was $7 fucking. And I'll still be upset if I fuck it up. All right, so what shade? I wish like you guys could talk to me and be like, no, go this one. Like this blue is stunning. I'm gonna swatch it. The Viseart feels a little bit more dry just upon touching it. There's that blue color for you. That was underwhelming. And I even like went over it a couple times. And you know, it's okay to have a buildable shade, especially when it is that dark. So let's swatch one more. So let's swatch this color right here. Oh, this one feels all right. This one right here, which kind of looks like the color out of the Natasha Denona palette. A little bit darker. So that swatched a lot better. So for the next color, I'm gonna jump in right here and just kind of start putting that in the crease. I'm gonna take this littler brush and run some of that on my lower lash line. Really just smoking that out. Both palettes are blending really nice. Again, this color didn't swatch that well, but I'm okay with a darker color that you do have to build up. So let's use the same little brush and maybe let's just jump into, yeah, let's jump into this shade right over here and just kind of build up this outer V. Got hair in my eye. Deepen it up a little bit more. Very buildable. Taking this little brush and just gonna buff out the edges. I truly keep this like on the bed now to try to keep them off like our pillows and our bedding, because I do just let him run amok, but as you can see it doesn't work. He is currently burying a Chewy under my pillow. So that's that. Dog life, right? We did kennel train him, but I just love him so much. I don't mind if he jumps up here and lays with us. He doesn't really sleep with us. He's pretty independent that way. But sometimes like in the early hours of the morning, he'll hop up and like cuddle, or before bed, he'll hop up and cuddle. These are blending out so nice. So I'm gonna take this littler brush. This is my Laura Lee brush. This is an Alamere brush. I do like them. And then this is a Luxie brush. I do like them. I like maroon colors against hazel eyes or like redder colors. It really does help make them pop. Like it's a good look, and it's just so like dreamy, like the sunset eye, sunsetty. Nobody fucking cares, right? Very pretty. So keeping kind of the dark smoke around the lash line. Like, I'm okay with how my crease is. Like, I don't want that too terribly dark. So I'll probably even dip into, I mean, we might as well. This is like a dark plum color, grape almost. Like, might as well toss some of that on. And I think I'm gonna keep the red tones to the upper lid, and then maybe, well, let's drag just a little bit. Let's drag a little bit under the lower lash while it's here. No additional product. But I kind of want to go in with the brown out of the Natasha Denona and add that down here, just to use more of the colors out of there also. There, just matched it up really quick. I look so stupid with my hair behind my ears sometimes. Get a spot, sir. Add a very little bit of this. Just right out here. I'm getting like no fallout also. That is such a pretty shade. And you see like how my eyes look like bluer, or am I tripping? I might be tripping. I don't know. Kind of buff over all of that. Just lightly. Oh, I love it. This, I had no idea what I was gonna do. I don't think I would have thought that I would have went this route looking at the palettes, but I'm happy I did. So I'm just gonna kind of buff off some of that color. I gotta wash my brushes today or tomorrow because, I'm gonna do a haul video, but oh my goodness, I got some Juvia's Place palettes. And I think I got their setting powder and a foundation, so I'm so excited to try them. So I'm gonna dip into that middle color right there, which is Thorn. And then run that along the lower lash line. So I would leave the eye look alone because I like how it looks, but I do, this shimmer here is really, really pretty. So I do want to use it. Let's start with it in the inner corner. I don't know if it's really showing up. It's gorgeous though. Be a really pretty highlight. And in fact, I think I am gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Okay. I'll drag a little bit just in the very front. Right here. And then might as well put some on the brow bone. I rarely do this anymore, but just so you can see it a little bit more. Cute. I'm gonna do my lashes and put some lip liner on, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I used my L'Oreal Telescopic and Petite and Pretty mascara. I have a video on how I get my lashes this fluffy if you want to check that out. And then I used, what I used? Where is it? Oh, I used MAC Boldly Bare on my lips. This is what the look looks like with less lighting. So, what you can expect at home. Of course, we like our nice blown out lights because it just makes us look fucking better, right? Anyhow, and my final thoughts, that's what we need. So, both palettes are a win for me. Getting this in my BoxyCharm was super, super cool. And then again, the Viseart for $12. I can't say whether they're worth the full price though, because I didn't pay full price. I can't say, you know, I will be reaching for these. In fact, this will go in my makeup bag just for like everyday quick little look going to work or whatever. I can't say fully if it's worth it. I mean, they work well. You won't be disappointed in the product, but for your budget, my budget, we're all different, right? I just hate saying like, oh yeah, go spend $80. No, I will say get your ass on the BoxyCharm pop-up shop and buy it for $12 because it is a good little palette. It worked really well. I tested out, what, 3 or 4 of the colors. They worked amazing. We did 1, 2, 3, 4 of the colors in here as well, and they worked amazing. They blended. They're on the eyes. I'll leave down below on the longevity to see if like it actually lasts, because you can get this look using more affordable products. Let's see if it actually lasts longer since it was more expensive. Anyhow, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Happy holidays. Oh, I'll be starting a podcast with Lifestyle and Beauty by Essie. I'm super excited, so stay tuned for that. It'll be on her channel, my channel. It'll pop up. We'll link things. We're doing kind of a chatty, kind of see how the fuck it goes Sunday, which this may or may not be up before, but just keep your eyes out for that. I think we're going to try for bi-weekly. Anyhow, thank you so much. Bye. Bye.